Hi, this is Lee from Madden Mobile Crew. We're getting our YouTube channel set up and running, and I'm going to do a 50K pack opening for our first video. So here I go. I guess I should call it a 45K pack opening because 50's not really going to buy it. Alright, anyways, let's do it. Okay, a whole lot of nothing. Even worse. Okay, this will be halfway there. Right. I want one of those elite collectibles for the Super Bowl. Or the Legend, Super Bowl Legend. I have the other two, I just need the Lombardi. Nothing, let's do another one. I'll do two more. This one and one more. Team Carter, that's worth about 6K. Alright, last one. Nothing. Whole lot of nothing. Well, there's our first video, there's our first pull, and I'm just going to see how this video looks, and then there's going to be a lot more to come.